I will call this double-sided flip page. Once again, I got my inspiration from this book by Matthew Reinhardt. But for the mechanism of the front page, I referenced this book, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by Robert Sabuda. And of course, I simplified the mechanism. Since it will be very thick here, and you have to cut some slits at intervals so as to release the pressure. My initial measurement was wrong and the triangle was too large, so you can reduce it so that it can hide under the roof. And for the roof, you want to have some overhanging from the house. But if it's too wide, it will clash with the base page, so I made it the same width as the house. And you move the roof a bit forward, so when it closes, it won't be caught up with the base page. This is my dummy. I dismantled part of it to transfer the dimensions and to cross-check the calculations, as the mechanism is pretty complicated. The pillar has to be very sturdy, so I made it double thickness, so there would be 2 glue tabs on top and at the bottom. So you glue the glue tabs like this. And for the triangle piece, I had 2 glue tabs down at the bottom, but not at the top. So I put glue on the pillar here and then glue the piece like this. And there are 2 glue tabs on the side wall of the house or stable, and you glue the roof like this. I hope you liked my sharing today. Look out for tutorials for other mechanisms. Thanks for watching. Bye.